Greetings everyone. Today I have an important topic for all independent musicians. A comparison between two major companies in the world of music distribution, Distrokid and TuneCore. Welcome to Umisoft. I am Mohammad Umair. Before we jump in, let me introduce you to something that could change the game for your music streaming experience. Spotify Music Streaming Bot that generates a great revenue by streaming your music on Spotify in a very short time. If you found this bot helpful and interested to buy this bot and want to take your music streaming to the next level, then feel free to reach out to me. And if you have any questions about how to get started, just drop me a message. Contact details are mentioned in description and I'm here to help you unlock the full potential of your music experience. Stick around till the end to find out more about it. Let's begin with introducing Distrokid. Distrokid is an independent digital music distribution service founded in 2013. Distrokid is a favorite of many independent artists because of its ease of use and fast distribution. They don't take any percentage of your royalties and their pricing is very reasonable. Furthermore, and what if your music appears on streaming services very quickly? It's impressive. Now let's move to TuneCore. TuneCore is also a digital music distribution and publishing service founded in 2006. TuneCore offers a range of services including publishing. They might have a different pricing model, but with that comes some additional perks. If you're looking for a more comprehensive package, TuneCore could be your pick. From Spotify and Apple Music to Amazon Music, musicians pay a one-time fee for each release and in return, they retain 100% of their sales revenue and rights to their music same as Distrokid. But wait, how do they really compare? We are discussing costs, royalties and the speed at which your music becomes popular, right? Let's break it down. Let's compare both of them. The first one is distribution to streaming platforms. Distrokid offers distribution to over 150 streaming platforms including Spotify, Apple Music and Amazon Music. Same as it is, TuneCore provides distribution to a similar range of streaming platforms including Spotify, Apple Music and Deezer. So at this point, both are same. The next is distribution to digital stores. Distrokid also offers distribution to popular digital stores such as iTunes, Google Play and Amazon. Similarly, TuneCore provides distribution to a wide range of digital stores including iTunes, Google Play and Amazon. So here, TuneCore got a point. So next point is pricing. Distrokid offers a subscription-based pricing model with plans starting at $19.99 per year for basic distribution. TuneCore offers a per-release pricing model with price starting at $9.99 for a single and $29.99 for an album. So here, Distrokid got a point. The next is royalties. Distrokid allows artists to keep 100% of their royalties. Similarly, TuneCore also allows artists to keep 100% of their royalties. So here both are same. And the next is additional services. Distrokid offers additional services such as YouTube Content ID, Shazam verification and Spotify for artists access. On the other point, TuneCore provides additional services such as YouTube sound recording revenue collection and YouTube monetization. At this point, both are beneficial in its way. Now the next part is comparison of distribution services. If we see Distrokid, its annual fee is $19.99 while TuneCore annual fee is $29.99. That's expensive to Distrokid. So here Distrokid got a point. The next point is no commission on sales. Similarly, TuneCore no commissions on sales. Distribution to 150 stores, distribution to 150 stores, these are equal. 100% of royalties collection, 100% of royalty collection. So here Distrokid got a great point, an annual fee $19.99 while TuneCore is offering $29.99. So Distrokid got a point here. Now let's move to next part, features and tools. On Distrokid, easy music distribution to major streaming platforms and online stores, while on TuneCore, distribution to over 150 digital music platforms worldwide. So here TuneCore got a point because TuneCore offers a large distribution services. So next point is unlimited songs upload and releases for a flat annual fee. That's a point for Distrokid. And on the other side, option to choose between a yearly subscription or pay as you go model. So here Distrokid got a point. The next is instant access to earnings and analytics through a user-friendly dashboard. Similarly, in-depth sales and streaming analytics to track performance and earnings. So the next part is customer support. Distrokid is offering 24/7 customer support is available via email, while TuneCore limited customer support is available during business hours only. On the other side, responsive customer support team that resolves issues promptly, while TuneCore longer responses times for customer inquiries and issues. So here Distrokid got 2 points for its customer support. Now let's move to pros and cons. Distrokid, lower distribution fees compared to TuneCore's. On the other side, wide distribution channels including major streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. Distrokid, easy and user-friendly platform for independent musicians. So here Distrokid got a point because it's very cheap. And cons, limited distribution channels compared to TuneCore. Here Distrokid doesn't get a point. So let's move to TuneCore, higher distribution fees compared to Distrokid. So both have similarly pros and cons. Let's talk about payout methods. Distrokid, direct deposit. It transfers royalties directly to your bank account. It includes Payoneer, TransferWise, etc. The next one is PayPal. Simply withdraw your earnings by attaching your PayPal account with Distrokid. And the third one is bank transfer. It's international. Simply input your international banking details in the payment setting and Distrokid will ensure your earnings cross borders with ease. Now TuneCore. TuneCore is offering bank transfers where you can get paid directly to your bank account in local currency. And the next one, prepaid MasterCard. You can now transfer funds from your card to your local bank account. And it's offering paper check for US and Canada based only. There are no limits on receiving payments via check. And the PayPal, similarly to Distrokid, get paid directly to your PayPal account, and it's offering separate Payoneer, get paid directly to your Payoneer account option. So what's the conclusion? So we know both Distrokid and TuneCore offer independent musicians to distribute their music, right, to their streaming platforms and online stores. So here Distrokid has a solid point, and what's that? It's affordable pricing structure with a flat fee per year and no additional charges for each release. It's very prominent for the Distrokid users, right? So what about TuneCore? TuneCore offers additional services such as music publishing, administration, and YouTube monetization that's not included in Distrokid, which may be beneficial for artists looking to maximum their revenue streams on TuneCore. So what I recommend, I will lead the pricing structure and additional services offered by each platform to determine which one aligns best with your requirements. That's very important. So thanks for sticking around. And if you want to buy Spotify music streaming bot to boost your streams and generate a passive income, then feel free to reach out to me. Contact details are mentioned below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, comment your thoughts and subscribe for more.